Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company files.com. They're looking for a recruiting sourcer. It pays up to $68,000 a year. Location: work from your home on a remote first team at a hybrid remote company. As a recruiting sourcer at files.com, you'll use your outbounding experience and techniques to help us find, engage, and attract top talent. We are excited to be growing and will provide you with the tools you need to succeed. World-class pay and benefits. Earn a Bay Area salary from anywhere. Our pay is competitive with the top software companies in the world, with generous base salary plus equity compensation. Big company benefits. You'll get full health, dental, vision insurance coverage, 401 with generous matching, 11 company holidays per year, and 20 PTO vacation days. Brand new laptop and $1,000. Upon signing, we'll send you a brand new Apple laptop as well as $1,000 to outfit the rest of your home office with things like a monitor, webcam, keyboard, and mouse. 100% remote opportunity. The Files.com personnel team is 100% remote. However, we travel for regular in-person meetings with the team and the entire company to meet and work together face-to-face. These meetings are in cities around the US, including Scottsdale, Austin, Orlando, New Orleans, San Diego, Las Vegas, and New York City. In-person events combine work and fun and are designed to make up for the in-person interaction that occurs in an office job. In this role, you will be sourcing candidates for all positions across the company, both technical and non-technical. Building projects in LinkedIn Recruiter and other platforms, i.e. Angelist.com, Hell for active searches. Develop strategies and messaging to attract and engage passive candidates while focusing on defining and driving key metrics. Manage pipeline of candidates, both immediate and long-term leads. Supporting our diversity initiatives and helping Files.com attract candidates with diverse backgrounds. Job type: full-time. Benefits: 401k matching. Dental insurance, flexible schedule, flexible spending account, health insurance, health savings account, life insurance, paid time off, parental leave, professional development assistance, referral program, vision insurance, schedule Monday to Friday, supplemental pay types, signing bonus. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.